Ah! It's fucking cockroaches.
Well, it's about 4:30 a.m. Just waiting for Adam to swing by, and then we're off. Quite the adventure. I'm not sure if you can hear this, but the dog's peeing.
Hey, I got something for you.
What is it?
It's big, it's long, and it's pink. Look, I got a kayak.
So, again, we're in a Walmart, like we always do for our trips, bacon, water, and let's try to look for a dry box. Let's do this. Okay. I did bring a tripod with me. It's over there. It's in the boat, I think. Double check that. Since last time I go home, I brought the tripod and left it in the car.
Oh, there you go. Oh, good morning.
Morning.
We are northern Ontario,
A lovely day.
a little town called Britt, just south of Killarney,
Britt Part A.
and we're on a quest. We're on a quest. Where are we going, Jay?
I want to find my island.
We're gonna go find Cunningham's Island.
Yeah,
It's
my island.
It's been a long, slow winter, and sometimes during those long, slow winters, we like to find places to explore when the weather gets nice. So as you can see, there's not a cloud in the sky. It's a damn nice day. We're gonna go find Jay's Island.
Bear scat number 2. Because a bear island? Apparently so. So we're back in the boats. We're heading around to the other side. We found a really nice spot. Got lost somehow on the island twice. It's kind of hard to navigate. There's a lot of areas you can't walk through. Found 3 piles of bear scat and 1 snake. Or at least it wasn't a rattler. So yeah, it's a pretty decent sized island. I think we're gonna have a really amazing sunset tonight. And you won't see it on this camera because I don't have a camera that can catch the stars, but I think we're going to have a really nice view of the stars tonight, boys. So, we're going to come in on this angle now and scoped out the island. We don't see the bear that left the scat. We're pretty sure it's probably at least a few weeks old, maybe a month old scat. There was a beaver watching us. I think there was a beaver, could have been a muskrat. Who knows? Got Georgian Bay behind me, and the sun's going to set there, and we're going to face that. It's going to be amazing. So let's keep going. I'm always keeping my eye out for rattlesnakes. That's what that's for. These rocks here, like look at some of them. They're like, you'd almost think they were cut. Eh? Like, sorry, it's just what the? Oh, that's neat. Like that one over there. It's pretty flat. Once you get close, they don't look as cut, but like that one actually does pretty good actually here. This is pretty cool, eh? Like all moved by the glaciers. You can see our tent just way over there. Like I said, we scouted. There's no bear here right now. But, at least we hope so. Right? You can never tell. Cockroaches, though. That's different. Cockroaches. Oh well.